Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's look at this physics question on projectile. The range of a target is found to be 20 km. A shell leaves a gun with a velocity of 500 meters per second. What must be the angles of elevation of the gun if the ground is level? From here, let's say the given, we are given the range, which is 20 kilometers. We are also given initial velocity to be 500 meters per second. We are asked to calculate the angle of projection if the ground is leveled. So here's our vertical component, the horizontal component, and here is the path of projection. We are given initial velocity, which is 500 meters per second. We are asked to calculate the angles of projection. If the range is equals to 20 kilometers. If you look at this question, we are given the range. So we use the formula of range to find our angles of projection. So this will now be range, which is RO, equals to U squared sine 2 theta divided by G. And we know our initial velocity to be 500. So this will be RO is equals to 500 squared times sine 2 theta divided by 10. If we are to take our G, it will be equals to 10 meters per second squared. And from here, our range is 20 kilometers, that is times 10 raised to the power 3 is equals to 500 squared will now be 25,000 times sine 2 theta over 10. 0 here we have 1, 0 here we cancel 0. So we now have 20 times 10 raised to the power 3 is equals to 25,000 times sine 2 theta. We have to make this the subject of the formula. It now becomes sine 2 theta is equals to 20,000 divided by 25,000. This will cancel this, this will cancel this, this will cancel this. So 20 divided 25, we have 0.8. So we now have 2 theta is equals to arc sine 0.8. 2 theta now be arc sine 8 will give you 53.1 degree. So to get our theta, will now be 53.1 divided by 2. We now have this divided this, we have 26.05, which is 26.5 degree. This is our answer to this question. Please click on the subscription button to get more questions on projectile.